As a homeowner in Mandeville, Louisiana, maintaining a comfortable home while keeping energy costs low is a priority. Whether you're dealing with hot, humid summers or cooler winters, your home's energy efficiency plays a significant role in your overall comfort and utility bills. One of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency is through window installation. New, energy-efficient windows can drastically reduce your reliance on heating and cooling systems, ultimately saving you money. Here's how window installation in Mandeville can enhance your home's energy efficiency and create a more comfortable living space. Better insulation with modern window technology. One of the primary ways window installation can improve energy efficiency is through better insulation. Older windows, especially those with single panes or poor seals, allow air to escape in the winter and enter in the summer, leading to higher energy consumption. When you install energy-efficient windows, they help regulate your home's temperature by minimizing heat transfer. Modern windows often feature double or triple glazing, which includes multiple panes of glass with an insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, between the layers. This design significantly reduces the amount of heat that enters or escapes your home, maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. As a result, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to keep your home comfortable, leading to lower energy bills. Low-E glass for enhanced temperature control. Another critical feature of energy-efficient windows is low-E, low emissivity, glass. Low-E glass has a thin, invisible coating that reflects heat while still allowing visible light to enter your home. This coating helps to keep the heat outside during the summer and traps warmth inside during the winter. In Mandeville, where temperatures can fluctuate between the seasons, low-E glass can make a noticeable difference in your home's comfort and energy consumption. During the summer, the glass reflects solar heat, reducing the load on your air conditioning. In the winter, it helps keep warmth inside, reducing heating costs. Installing windows with low-E glass is an investment that pays off with long-term savings on utility bills. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Air leaks around windows are a major contributor to energy loss. Over time, the seals around windows can wear out, allowing drafts to enter your home. These drafts make it harder for your heating and cooling system to maintain the desired temperature, causing it to run more frequently and increasing your energy bills. By installing new, high-quality windows with proper weather stripping and seals, you can eliminate drafts and air leaks, improving your home's energy efficiency. Modern window designs feature tighter seals and more durable materials, ensuring that air stays where it's supposed to, inside your home. This results in a more comfortable environment, as well as significant savings on your heating and cooling costs. Reduced reliance on HVAC systems. New windows can reduce your dependence on your home's heating and cooling systems. Because energy-efficient windows provide better insulation and help maintain a consistent temperature, you won't need to use your HVAC system as frequently. This can have a significant impact on your energy bills. For example, during hot summer months in Mandeville, your air conditioning system will have to work much less if your windows are effectively blocking out the heat. Similarly, in the winter, Energy-efficient windows will help retain the heat from your furnace, reducing the amount of energy required to keep your home warm. Over time, the reduction in energy usage translates into lower monthly utility bills. Sound insulation benefits. While energy-efficient windows are primarily focused on temperature control, they also offer added benefits in terms of sound insulation. If you live in a noisy area, whether it's due to traffic, neighbors, or other outdoor noises, upgrading your windows can help reduce the amount of sound that enters your home. Double or triple glazed windows, in particular, provide a sound barrier, minimizing the amount of noise from the outside. The added insulation not only helps with temperature control but also creates a more peaceful indoor environment. This is especially beneficial for homes located in busy neighborhoods or near major roads in Mandeville. Increased home value and long-term saving. In addition to improving energy efficiency, new windows can increase your home's value. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with energy-efficient features because they know they'll save on energy bills in the long run. By installing energy-efficient windows, you're not only making your home more comfortable and affordable to live in but also enhancing its resale value. Homes with energy-efficient windows are typically seen as more modern, well-maintained, and eco-friendly. This can be a strong selling point if you decide to put your home on the market. Plus, because new windows require less maintenance than older models, you'll save on upkeep and repairs in the long term. Environmentally friendly solution. By installing energy-efficient windows, you're also making an environmentally friendly choice. Reducing the energy consumption of your home decreases the amount of fossil fuels burned to generate electricity, which in turn reduces your carbon footprint. If you're looking to make your home more sustainable and reduce your impact on the environment, energy-efficient windows are a simple and effective solution. Conclusion. Window installation is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency in Mandeville. From better insulation and temperature control to reducing drafts and reliance on HVAC systems, new windows provide numerous benefits that lead to long-term savings. Additionally, they enhance your home's comfort, value, and curb appeal, making them a wise investment for any homeowner. Whether you're looking to lower your energy bills, increase your home's resale value, or simply create a more comfortable living space, energy-efficient windows are an upgrade that will pay off for years to come.